Sometimes I think, what will people say of me when I'm only just a memory, when I'm home where my soul belongs? Was I loved when no one else would show up? Was I Jesus to the least of us? Was my worship more than just a song? I wanna live like that and give it all I have, so that everything I say and do points to you. If love is who I am, then this is where I stand, recklessly abandoned, never holding back. I wanna live like that, yeah. I wanna live like that. Am I proof that you are who you say you are? That grace can really change a heart? Do I live like...
My name is Sandy. I live at 512 3rd Street, first floor apartment. And the mission team came and cleaned up my basement so good that it was a wreck before, but now it looks really good. So I just want to say thank you to the mission team to help me finally get that basement together, because I promised my landlord last year and I couldn't do it. And as y'all know, I'm in a wheelchair and I can't get up and down the steps. With the mission team that came to my house, Emma came. She was a little girl and she did such great work, you know, and she was holding the door, and I told her she didn't have to hold the apartment door. She was bringing up bureau drawers and all that. She was working really, really hard for a little girl, let me tell you. And I appreciate her coming and everyone else coming and helping me get that basement together, because they did a beautiful job.
The world to know the glory of the King. I wanna live like that and give it all I have, so that everything I say and do points to you. If love is who I am, then this is where I stand, recklessly abandoned, never holding back. I wanna live like that, I wanna live like that, I wanna live like
Welcome to the door. Come on in. I'm Dave Taylor, the director of the door, and I just want to say thank you to the mission team that came and helped redo our arcade center, our rec room for the kids here at the door. It's a project that's been waiting for more than 10 years to be done, and you folks showed up and did outstanding work and took care of the costs at a time where we could never do it. And I just want to say thank you, not only for giving us what you did, but the team that did it went above and beyond doing a first-rate job, high-quality work, and I want to say thank you, because that's a rare gift nowadays.
They're yours, not mine to do what you...
Well, the team took off tar paper and shingles here, and this was all exposed wood. They put up brand new soffit and fascia, added proper gable venting. For people who know construction, this was done first rate, first class, exactly the way it's supposed to be. Back here, the mission team took off the old garage door from the 1950s and replaced it with a wall. And that's going to be insulated. The whole thing will be vinyl sided to match the building, and they're going to put a steel door in here. All right, as soon as this is all completely finished, this is going to be an arcade. We have a whole bunch of video games set on free play for the kids to come in. We have a pool table that's under the construction supplies right now. And over here we have a line of freezers where we store our food for the daily dinners that we serve to the kids here in need every day.
Take my hands, I lift them high. They're yours, not mine to do. Do what you will. Do what you will. Do what you will. I'm ready now. I'm ready now. I'm ready now. Do what you will. I'm ready now. I'm ready now. I'm ready now. Do what you will. I'm ready now. I'm ready now. I'm ready now. Do what you will. I'm ready now. I'm ready now. I'm ready now. Take my heart and make it new, make it true, make it like